6 animal facts that you may never come across before. Number 1, flamingo can drink a boiled water without having any problem. Number 2, female duck have a false pecus in order to prevent mating with the aggressive male that force themselves on them. Female duck have false pecus. Were you aware that female ducks have false pecus? That if she doesn't like the male counterpart to mate with it, she will only open the first one. Number 3, monarch butterfly migrate to a joining so long that him that start the joining will not finish it. It is their great grandchildren that will finish the joining. Number 4, hedgehog, which we popularly called idiots, are known to put their shit, their feces in their mouth, mix it with their spit and smell it all over their quill in order to prevent their predators. Number 5, pelican bird have been observed walking freely with flocks of other birds, eating up their babies alive freely without them challenging it. If this is your first time of watching my video, please do well to subscribe and follow my page. Thanks and God bless you.